Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about Introduction to Power System Protection and the course code is EE3201. What are the objectives of this course? We need to compare and contrast between the electromagnetic, static and microprocessor based relays and how we are going to apply the technology to protect our power system components. It's nothing but how we are going to protect our transmission lines, transformers, generators, feeders, bus bars, and how we are going to set the relay for overcurrent and what are the distance relays, how we are using the distance relays, and how we are dealing with our circuit breakers, what are the types of circuit breakers, what is the quenching mechanism. Quenching mechanism is nothing but cooling mechanism used in circuit breakers. Those are the objectives of this course which we are going to learn in the coming classes. And the course outcomes is at the end of this course, we should be able to compare between electromagnetic and static relays, how the various relays are performing their duties, and how over voltage protection and how the insulation coordination is done. And we need to analyze the fundamental principles of circuit breakers and fuses. In Unit 1, we will be seeing about Introduction to Power System Protection. What are the types of protection? What is the requirements of the relay? In types of protection, there will be primary protection, backup protection. In requirements of relay, we will having how the relay should respond to certain fault, if overcurrent occurs, when it should sense. Those things we will be seeing under requirements of relay. Types of relays. For particular operation, which type of relay we are going to use. For overcurrent relay, for overcurrent, which type of relay we are going to use. Those things we will be seeing under types of relays. And static relays. The above mentioned are of electromagnetic relays which are rotational. Static relays, these are made up of electronic components and these are not rotational. In Unit 2, we are going to study about protection of generators. How we are going to protect our generators from stator faults, from rotor faults, and also how we are going to protect our transformers. What is the relay used to protect the transformers? Basically, Buchholz relay and merge price protection scheme we will be going to use for the protection of transformers. That comes under Unit 2. In Unit 3, we are going to see about the protection of feeder. How feeder is going to be protected. What is the scheme employed for the protection of feeder? How the transmission line is going to be protected. What is the scheme for transmission line to protect. How to protect our bus bars. Those things we will be seeing under Unit 3. In Unit 4, we will be seeing about overvoltage protection and insulation coordination. Overvoltage protection may be caused due to lightning. How lightning will affect our transmission lines. So all these things we will be seeing under overvoltage protection, which comes under Unit 4. In last unit, that is the 5th unit, we are going to see about circuit breakers and fuses. What are the types of circuit breakers we are using? What is the mechanism, quenching mechanism used in circuit breakers? What are the types of fuses? The relays, basic relay, what we will do, just only sensing the fault, but the relay should give the information to circuit breaker to break the circuit such that we are protecting the remaining power system which is not under fault. So we are going to see about circuit breakers and fuses, and the reference textbooks are Badri Raman and DN Vishwakarma, Power System Protection and Switchgear, TMH 2001, UA Bakshi, MV Bakshi, Switchgear and Protection, Technical Publication 2009, Switchgear and Protection by Sunil S. Rao, Kannam Publishers, 1992. These are the reference book. LP-SIG Protective Relaying from Electromechanical to Microprocessor, New Age Internationals, Electrical Power by S.L. Uppal Kannan Publishers, 1988. Ravindranath and Chander's Switchgear and Protection New Age International Dubai 2014. These are the references book. So in coming classes, we are going to see about the relays what are the requirements of relays, which will be seen under coming classes, that is lecture 2. Thank you everyone.